Looks like there's water in it.
God.
Oh my
gosh. Holy moly, look at that. Well, it's the next morning after our crazy camp out, and let me tell you, it poured all night long, and I have to show you how much rain we got. 4 3/4 inches of rain, almost 5 inches. I can't believe that. We are heading out to check out the campground and see what it's like out there.
It kind of looks like that there was water flow here.
Yes, it does. Holy moly, it looks like it came right through here. Where our campground is. If Shauna and Keisha were sleeping in that tent, you guys would have almost floated away.
Yeah. Looks like there's water in it.
God.
Oh my gosh.
Unzip that. No, the bottom one.
Holy moly, look at that.
Flashlight.
I bet you there was like, it was up pretty high.
I have a fear that's the same in ours.
Shoot, we'll leave it and let Shauna
Is that
see
one
that.
there?
Or should we empty it?
Is this one working?
No, should get a kick out of that.
Dude.
Oh my gosh, you gotta come see this.
It didn't sound good when I heard this. Oh my gosh. We would have gotten flooded out. What happened? Like, did it break back there or what?
No, it flowed through here, like probably a huge old river through our campground last night. So it's good that we didn't stay on it.
I still see a little flowing spot over here. Look at our
toilet.
toilet.
Our toilet's standing in water too.
Oh, that's pretty crappy.
Oh, ours are just a little on the deep. There's some puddles here and there, but it's not.
Oh yeah, we don't have any big amounts of water standing. Oh, there's some.
Well, we got
a little bit. That's hilarious about your guys.
We wouldn't make good Survivor contestants for sure.
No, we wouldn't.
Oh my god, it's so like.
Yeah, that was a bucket that was up here. We were using for something, weren't we? That blue bucket.
blue bucket, water.
Water. And it's clear. It's out there in the field.
The bucket got the water it wanted.
Yeah.
Maybe too much.
Take it to the water hose. I mean, it's not going to get any drier.
Yeah. Yeah, I bet if you rinsed it, it would be just fine.
Survived! Same here, there's a little... It must have flown through like the window or something, you think? That it got hot?
I'm sure it's the water was probably up at least, that high coming through here.
And then with the water just gushing
I think what
in
happened,
here,
water flowing through here and it pushed your tent over and it flowed into. Yeah, that's probably what you said. But.
Yeah, finally that's like all dirty.
Oh man, we should have packed up camp that one.
I don't
Yeah.
think we were really expecting this though, were we?
No, we weren't. It's like Brooke always says.
There's never a dull moment on the homestead.
So as you've seen, we've had a lot of rain, and we didn't really know the extent of the amount of rain we've had until I was looking on Facebook and found out that the town that we live by had a lot of flooding. And so we decided to take a little cruise around the countryside and see what it was like. And right here is the creek.
Like, there's no hill. There is no, like, sloping down that way.
No, there's not. No. Wow. That's probably, like, quite literally the fullest I've ever seen it.
Yeah.
Ever.
Yeah.
Just wanted to show you guys really quick. Look at that Milo, how tall it is, and look how beautiful it is.
Is Milo usually short?
Yeah, I always have remembered it being shorter than that. But that is beautiful.
Normally it's about this tall.
Yeah. Can't even see the bridge there. This is crazy.
This
Now
is
that
the worst
is-
you've seen.
Yeah.
Easy.
Wow.
It's going down too.
Yeah, it
Look
used
at
to
it.
be up further.
We're not doing that one.
How beautiful the sunflowers are.
There's a bunch of them.
There is another bridge underwater. We are actually trying to get down this road that we're on right here, so that way we can go down by the lake. But there quite literally is no way we can. We are completely blocked from being able to go to this road, down this road. So that's pretty crazy.
And it's never been this bad.
Nope. And we were, I guess I should have videoed that a while ago, but we were down here in the little town by where we live. There was a cop sitting there on the highway, and he was blocking anybody from going north to town because I guess the road is closed going into town. So our leisurely little cruise around the countryside is leading us to nothing but a bunch of dead ends. And frustration, yes.
Like that.
On top of being extremely tired and sleep deprived from the adventurous weekend we had, we're all not so very lively bunch right now.
I really want to see the lake, though.
We're really wanting to go to Pratt, which is a town close by where we live. Maybe we might just try this extremely, really long way around. But then it wastes a lot of time, though.
It does. You guys won't be going to town anytime soon, will you?
Probably not,
Probably not.
so we would never see it. Then if we don't see it, we can't show it to you guys, so
Might as well do it.
might as well. So we decided to take the long way to town, and we kind of weren't thinking. We discovered, what did we discover?
Brooke had no fuel in her car when we started this adventure.
Yeah, and it just dinged low fuel. And so we're kind of like, oh my gosh, we are pretty sure that the car can make it from here to town with plenty of gas. But the thing is, we are concerned that they have the road blocked off of there and are not letting people go to town because of the flooding. So if that's the case, we could be in trouble because we'd have to turn around and go back home again, and we might not make it home.
don't think there's any way we'd make it home.
Oh gosh. The predicaments we get ourselves into.
It's all for you guys. So you
Yeah,
better
it's all for
enjoy
you
this.
guys. Okay, so we've made it to the highway, and the good news is we see a truck going that way, so that means that traffic must be flowing like that. So that's good news. Oh dear, it's starting to rain again. It's crazy. It's a good sight to see town.
Woo!
We made it, yay. Well, not quite yet.
It'll
but
be
we're
even
getting
better to
close.
see the gas pumps. But
Yeah. We'll feel a lot better once we are actually parked next to the gas pumps.
And Brooke's bladder will feel better when she's parked over a toilet. But we won't mention that on the video.
No, we won't.
My car needs to be full, and then I need it empty.
So we're full of gas now.
Yep. Yeah, we are.
That wasn't the kind of gas I was talking about. Anyway.
Oh.
And
My bladder is empty.
yeah. So we're all good to go now. But you know what? There's not very much excitement going on in town. There's the fishing game, and some of those look pretty full, don't they?
They're fuller than what they keep them.
Yeah. Okay, now we're going down around the lake where it was really flooded earlier, but looks like it's the water's gone down a lot.
Oh, it says road closed. There's someone turning around up there.
Darn. Yeah, we better not. We'll just go this way. Darn. That sign says road closed too, so they're not going to let us get any closer to the lake than this.
I'd rather not be a rebel, you know?
Yeah, that's just what I was going to say. We're not rebels.
I don't
At
want,
least
I don't want
when
a
it
ticket.
comes to this.
I don't even want a cop to tell me don't.
Yeah.
That's not me.
They post those signs there for a reason, so you should obey them and listen to them.
Tell you what, though, tomorrow after work I could go down and take some pictures. I can constantly monitor it, and when it's finally open, I can go take some pictures of the full lake.
Yeah. We just wanted to see the really full lake, but it'll just look like the lake with more water in it.
More water.
So, yeah. So, I guess we're gonna head home.
Cool, done.
Yeah. It's about as exciting as it gets for today.